What's up, everybody? Nightmare 48 here, and today or tonight at 1:15 in the morning, I can't sleep, so I just decided to put this video out. It's a series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I did this back when I was younger, and well, I was looking back at it today at school or yesterday at school, and it looks like I cannot explain anything at all. I rambled on way too much. So in this video, I got everything set up, got my phone here. I don't even know how long I can record for one. For two, a lamp here that's perfect. I don't know how. And well, let's go ahead and jump in this video. Let's not waste any time. This is not going to be the Rubik's Cube I'm going to be using. It's going to be this one right over here, which is already mixed up, which is perfect for the video, just jumping in. So yeah, before we actually jump in though, I want to set some or not set some things, but like get you more experience. Like, if you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube at all, this part right here you need to get familiar with. So whenever I say like right, just like right, okay, so this is your face. Rambling on again, but this is your face of your Rubik's Cube. So if you're trying to solve this part and you're looking at it this way, it's your face. The face of the Rubik's Cube is right here. And if I say something like right, then you take the right side here, and that'll be up. So basically, let's say you're looking at it this way, but you want to make sure you're doing it right. It's basically just going clockwise, like a clock, like that. See, and then there's a thing called inverted. So like right inverted, that'll be just counterclockwise. But I won't be saying the like clockwise or counterclockwise. I'll just be saying inverted, or just the like right side. This video is already getting up to 2 minutes, so this is right side right here. This is left side. Then the face or front, which would be here. Back would be here. Down or bottom will be right here, and up will be here. Now I will be doing a middle, which is this right here, any of the middle, but basically it's just going to be this middle going this way or this way. That's it. Well, my dog's downstairs barking. Oh well. But let's go ahead and not ramble on anymore in this video and go ahead and get started with it. Let me see if I can get this a little bit better lighting. And let's go ahead, and if you haven't already, mix up your cube. If you just watching this for entertainment purposes, then just watch, I guess. And if you're watching this for a tutorial, go ahead, get your cube, mix it up, and we'll go ahead and start it. So the most common side to solve is the white side. So we're just going to go ahead and start with the white side. This is broken up into like steps. We're going to go ahead and do part one, which is this one, which would be the first layer right here, the first side. And then I'll probably do it all in this one video, depending on how long it'll be. If not, then I'll break it up into actual parts, but we'll see. But this one, if it does go into broken up parts, I'll do first layer, and then second layer, and then the final layer. But if it's not into parts, then I'll do it all in one, as uh, as thorough as I can, as non-complicated type as I can. And yeah, so first starting with the top layer, you want to go ahead and get a plus sign with the white. So let's go ahead and use this one as example. You can find any of them, but if you want to follow along, then go ahead and use this one example as a blue and white is basically what you want to start with. You want to have a white color, and then a color that will match up with its centerpiece. So like right here, white, blue, white, and blue. So this piece needs to go here. Now you can't just move it there and expect it to match up. You want them to match up. So basically, if you already know how to solve one side, go ahead and do it, and I'll leave a number down in the descriptions below, so you can click that and like skip forward to that part. But for beginners and don't know how to solve any side at all, this is what you want to do: is get face it to you, have it lined up. This is for getting it first. It will be front inverted twice, front inverted 2 times, like that. And then now it'll be at the bottom. You want to move it out the way, bring the middle down, and place it back in its spot. And just like that, now you have those lined up. And that's basically all you want to do for each side, each corner edge piece, until you get a plus. And also another thing I forgot to mention, these are edge pieces. This is a corner piece, and this is the center piece. So just want to throw that out there. So we'll do it with this one now, the white and red. So we got red and white, so this piece goes here. So basically all you want to do is have it on the bottom, or if it's on top, just twist it to where it's on the bottom, move it out the way, it doesn't matter which way, bring down the middle piece, and then move it back into its place, and then move it back up to where now you have a white, red, and red, and you got this little L-shaped type. My dog needs to shut up. I'm kind of tired too, but at the same time not. I'm going to get this video out and then probably go to bed. But now you want to find the next two, which in this case, if it's like this, you can just move it on up. Now you got this little piece, it's basically a T. And for the final one, you can move it out the way. Get it out the way, bring down the middle, place it back in the spot, and then push it back up. And there you go. You got the cross right there. And also, if you get stuck at any point of this video, you can rewind it too. It's YouTube. It's 2020. You can rewind the video, or you can play it in slow motion as well. It'll be 3 dots about where my finger is up here. Click there. It'll say like playback or something right around here. Hit that, and then you just hit one of the columns right here, or numbers right there. The toppest one is the slowest one, and then like so forward all the way down to the fastest one. So alright, so once you get your edge pieces done, now you want to move on to the corner pieces. So we'll go ahead and find a corner piece. So we use this one right here, and as you can see, it is white, red, and green. So you're going to find the center pieces to these colors, so white, red, and green. So this corner piece goes right here into this spot. To get it there, if it's up here, you just want to move it down and get it out of the way, and then move that back up to where this stays a plus and this is just out of the way. Now to get it up into this spot, instead of just moving it up and then messing that up, there's a couple ways you can do it. You could just move it up and then just get these two out of the way, move this one back down, and then place it back up. But there's also this way. You can have it like this facing you, and you can, instead of you want it facing like the white where you want to place it. So like if it's facing this way, you're going to move it to the left side of where you're going to place it, so you can bring it down and then move it back into place to where it matches up, and then move it back up, and there goes that right there. You got one corner piece. And then you want to do that same thing with the wrist. So I'll kind of do that on my own time, since if you don't know by this point, you're kind of slow. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue right here. Move it down, out of the way, back up, and then you want to find the center pieces. So white, blue, red, blue, white, and red. So this goes here. So you're gonna move it over there to it. So if it's like this, you can either just turn the cube and do it like you did this one, or you can keep it like this, just bring it down, place it into its spot, and then move it back up, just like that. Now the last two, which are here and here. This one goes into its spot, so if it's like this right here, you just want to move it down, move it out of the way twice, and then bring it back up, and then continue by placing it there, moving it down into its spot, and then back up. And then for this one, you can have it like that, or you can keep it in the spot because it's already set up, and then just move this down, place it into its spot, and then move it back up. And that's how you solve the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. That's a lot of breath. I should have had some water up here. But let's go ahead and get on to the second. Actually, you know what? Yeah. I'll go ahead and get on to it. No. I'll go ahead and, in this one here, we'll pick it up with the second layer here to do in the next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and leave a thumbs up on the video. Turn on that post notification so you know when I upload. I'm going to be starting to upload more of like Rubik's Cube videos, because I have quite a few that I can actually show you how to solve. And if you want a tutorial like that. But yeah, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, comment down below, leave a thumbs up, hit the bell icon to turn on the post notifications. It might not work sometimes because YouTube's like weird like that. Excuse me. But I'll see you on the next one. Peace.